Hello dancer, today Bachata y yo are practicing our traveling waves. We have 3 styles and 3 distinct arm and footwork variations. Intro, take your time. Whatever you feel like doing because intro is very short and I don't want to guide it, okay? Whatever you feel like rolling, we have 2 more 8 counts. Get ready. 5, 6, 7, basic. 1, 2, 3, good. Bass step to the left, bass to the right. One more time, boom. Again, basic, slide, big slide. Basic, good. Now with our bass, we do the shoulder wave. Remember how we twist to the shoulder? Boom. Twist, forward, open. Again. Twist, forward, open. Again. Good. Let's add the arm styling to this. Remember our arm styling? Left arm, right arm. Whichever side goes up, left and right. That side opens, okay? Left, right. Boom. Again, last time. Boom. In place, sensual. 1, 2. Very good. Now let's do closing waves, and then we move on to rainbow waves. Let's go. 1, 2, close. Basic. So you can see I'm not closing my left shoulder, I'm closing fully. So I close, open. Okay, and this one wave you can do traveling or you can do in place. Let's go. I'm doing in place. Close. Again. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In place. Boom. Basic. 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's add a ball change flick when we go to the left. Everything else the same. Ball change flick, boom, close. Again, ball change flick, close. In place, 1. Good. Both waves, let's go. Ball change flick, flick, boom, boom. Second one, close. Basic, slide. In place, sensual, good. Let's practice our rainbow waves. If you guys remember, we prepare on one side, we open, lateral wave, and we finish it on the right side. Or if you want, you can finish it with a hip throw, depending on your preference, basic. Let's go with a flick, go, rainbow, boom. Basic. Now I will add the hip throw at the end. Flick, boom, close, boom. Nice. You just learned 3 easy ways to style your traveling waves. If you find some of these difficult, I suggest go check out my tutorial playlist where we upload new bachata breakdown every week. Subscribe to my channel so you don't miss the next step in your bachata journey. From basic fundamentals to advanced movements, I got you covered. In the meantime, take care of your bachata and I'll see you on the dance floor.